Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to easily enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. First, let's open the Settings app. Then, scroll all the way down until you see Phone, and tap it. Next, scroll down to the Calls section. You should see Wi-Fi calling there, tap on it. Now, Wi-Fi calling is probably toggled off by default. Go ahead and toggle it on. A pop-up will appear with some information about your location and emergency services. Give it a read, and if you're happy to proceed, tap Enable. Alright. Wi-Fi calling is now enabled. You can exit out of the Settings app. The next time you make or receive a call, it will be routed through your Wi-Fi network, which should give you much better call quality in areas with poor cellular reception. And that's it. Super simple. This is based on my personal experience, and if you want more detailed instructions or related links, check out the description below. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.